Hello friends, let's solve more. Let's understand more sentences of reported speech. Ritesh said to the father, "I want to go to see a film if you give me permission." So said to will be told. So Ritesh told his father. Ritesh told to the father instead of his. I should write. Ritesh told father that. Ritesh told father that I want will become he wanted. How I know simple present is converted into simple past, right? These two things are very confusing. You need to watch the sentence carefully and understand these changes takes place in the sentence. He wanted to go to see a film if father is always he, right? So if he give will become gave because simple present becomes simple past. He gave me permission, right? So me will become him because son is male and this is converted me into him permission. Malti said to the teacher. Malti told the teacher that someone stolen. So this is simple past. This is simple past because this is second form of verb. So second form of verb is used in simple past only, right? So this simple past and simple past will be converted into past perfect, right? That someone had stolen her book from the classroom the previous day. I often forget my things at my friend's place. Manish said Vishal. So this is discussion between Manish and Vishal. But who said this? Vishal said this. To whom it has been told? It has been told to Manish. So Vishal said to Manish. So Vishal told. Vishal told Manish, right? Said Vishal. So there is listener. So it is told. Told is used when there is listener, right? So it is not said to, but still there is listener. So Vishal is telling to someone. So Vishal told to Manish. Vishal told to Manish that now both are male. Both are male. So I will become he. He often forget will become forgot because often, always, seldom, these are the words indicating simple present tense. So simple present tense will be simple past tense. So forgot his things at his friends. My will become his friend's place, right? Jaimini said to Aruna, these both are the name of girls, right? If you are not familiar with these names, I am telling you this both the names are of girl. Jaimini said to Aruna, you haven't seen Dwarka till now. Jaimini told Aruna that she haven't will be had not. She had not seen Dwarka till then. Now will become then. Where is the rule here? See here. Now will become then. Now Ram said, I met an old friend yesterday. So said will be what? So Ram said. Said will remain said. I have not mentioned it here, but said will be said. Now Ram said that he now met. So memorize the three pair meet, met. So this is second form, right? Meet, met. So this is V2, verb 2. So simple past will become past perfect, right? He had not met, sorry, there is no not. He had met an old friend the previous day, right? So simple past become past perfect. Sarla, listen to the carefully. Sarla said Vasant. So Vasant said to Sarla, isn't it? It means Vasant said to Sarla. Sarla said Vasant, I brought you here in this town to show you the museum. Now this is the name of a girl, Sarla, and this is the name of a boy, right? So Sarla said to Vasant, I brought you there in this town to show you the museum. So Vasant told Sarla that who is speaker? Vasant. Sarla said Vasant. So Vasant is speaker. He brought will become he had brought, right? Because this is simple past and simple past will become past perfect. He had brought. You is used for Sarla and Sarla is girl. So her here will be there. You can find these rules here. Here will be, see, here will be there. He had brought her there in that town to show to show her the museum. To show her the museum, right? Okay. Suresh said to his sister, I am glad to see you here. Suresh told his sister that I is used for Suresh because Suresh is a speaker and he is a female boy and his sister is girl, right? So Suresh told his sister that he, M is one, will become was. He was glad to see her, here will be there. The yogi said the death is eternal. Now, the yogi said that the death is eternal. It means it is universal fact. So, the death is eternal. Everyone has to die. So, this is universal fact. So, there is no change. Rakesh said to Rekha. So, Rakesh told Rekha that we shall take our lunch here tomorrow. So, now we will become they shall will become would, our means there, they would take their lunch there to the next day. Tomorrow will be the next day. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.